Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction issue on your iPhone. So guys, if you are trying to make some purchases on your iPhone on your Apple ID but you are facing this pop-up or this message again and again and you are unable to complete the transaction, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all open settings on your device and then scroll it below and tap on general and then tap on software update and update your software, and after this go back and you have to simply scroll it below and tap on screen time and scroll it below all the way and tap on content and privacy restrictions and turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions from here, and after this go back and now you have to scroll it below or you have to go to face ID and passcode and enter the passcode, and from here you have to simply turn on all these toggles if they are off. So guys, you have to simply turn on the toggle for iTunes and App Store and turn on the toggle for contactless and payments, and after this scroll it below and from here you have to simply tap on stolen device protection and turn off the stolen device protection on your device as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply go to your profile and then you have to simply go to payment method of your Apple ID, and from here you have to simply remove your payment method from your device for one time, and after this go back and now you have to simply scroll it below and tap on sign out and sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time as well, and after this you have to simply restart your device for one time as well, and then you have to go to your profile and then tap on payment and shipping, and from here you have to simply add your payment method again on your device. So guys, simply add your payment method again on your device from here, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if you still face this problem then you have to simply restart your device for one time, and after this tap on support, and from here you can get any kind of support from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.